A dominant male giraffe defends his territory against a rival. Their long necks strike with remarkable speed and precision. The green grass, the surrounding herd watches.
The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. It is one of the most beautiful and unique animals on earth. With its very long neck, long legs and lovely spotted skin, the giraffe is easy to recognize. It lives in Africa and is loved by people all around the world. A giraffe can grow up to 18 feet tall. That is taller than most houses. Male giraffes are usually taller and heavier than females. A large male can weigh more than 1000 kilograms. Even though giraffes are very big, they move with great grace and elegance. Giraffe lives in the grassland, savannas and open forest of Africa. They like places where there are many trees. Acacia trees are their favorite because they provide the leaves that giraffes love to eat. These open areas also help giraffes see danger from far away. The giraffe's long neck is its most famous feature. Many people think giraffes have more neck bones than humans, but that is not true. Giraffe and human both have 7 neck bones. The difference is that the giraffe neck bones are much larger. Their long neck helps them reach leaves high in the trees. Few other animals can reach these leaves. This means giraffes often have less competition for food. Their height also allows them to spot predators from a great distance. Giraffes are herbivores. This means they only eat plants. Their favorite food is the leaves of acacia trees. They also eat flower, fruit and small branches. A giraffe has a very long tongue. Its tongue can be almost 20 inches long. It is dark blue or black in color. This helps protect it from the hot African sun. The tongue is also strong and flexible, allowing the giraffe to pull leaves from branches covered in sharp thorns. A giraffe can eat for many hours every day. It may consume more than 70 pounds of food in a single day. Because the leaves contain water, giraffes do not need to drink often. They can survive several days without drinking. When a giraffe drinks water, it must spread its front legs wide apart. This position makes it vulnerable to predators. For this reason, giraffes are always very careful when drinking. Giraffes are peaceful animals. They usually live in small groups called herds. These groups can have a few members or more than 20. There is no strict leader. Giraffe can join or leave the group whenever they want. Female giraffes often stay together with their calves. Males may live alone or form small bachelor group. Older males are often seen wandering by themselves. A baby giraffe is called a calf. When a calf is born, it falls about 6 feet to the ground. This may seem dangerous, but it helps break the umbilical cord and encourages the calf to take its first breath. Within 1 hour of birth, the calf can stand up and walk within a few hours. It can even run run. This quick development is important because predators such as lion are always nearby. A newborn giraffe is already about 6 feet tall. That is taller than many adult humans. During its first year, a calf grows very quickly. Mother giraffes are loving and protective. They stay close to their young and defend them from danger. Sometimes several mothers from nursery group taking turns watching over the calves. Lions are the main predator of giraffe. They usually hunt young calves, old giraffe or sick animals. Adult giraffe are very strong and difficult to attack. A giraffe can defend itself with a power kick. One kick can seriously injure or even kill a lion. This makes lions are very careful when hunting giraffe. Giraffe are much faster than they look. They can run up to 35 miles per hour. Their long legs help them cover great distance quickly. Male giraffe often compete with each other in battles called necking. They swing their long neck and hit each other with their heavy heads. These contests help decide which male is stronger. Every giraffe has a unique pattern of support. No two giraffes have exactly the same pattern. Their support are like human fingerprint. This support also help giraffe control their body temperature. Blood vessels under the support release heat, helping the giraffe stay cool in the hot African climate. Giraffes sleep very little and they usually sleep for only a few hours each day. Often they sleep standing up. This allows them to quickly run away if danger appears. Sometimes giraffes lie down to sleep, but only when they feel very safe. Even then they remain alert. Giraffes have excellent eyesight. Their large eyes help them see predators from far away. They can spot danger across the wide African plains. Their hearing, the sense of smell are also very good. Together, these scenes help keep them safe. Giraffes communicate in ways humans cannot always hear. They make low sound called infrasound. These sounds travel long distance. Scientists believe giraffes use their sounds to communicate with each other, especially at night. Sadly, giraffes face many dangers. Today, habitat loss is one of the biggest threats as human wild farms, roads and towns. Giraffes lost their homes. Poaching is another serious problem. Some people hunt giraffe for their meat, skin and tails. Climate change also affects giraffe by changing their habitat and food supply. Because of these threats, giraffe population have decreased in many areas. Conservation groups are working hard to protect them. National park and wildlife reserve provide safe places for giraffe to live and breed. Education also helps people understand why giraffes are important and why they must be protected. Giraffes play an important role in nature by eating leaves. They help shape the growth of trees. They also spread seeds through their dropping, helping new plants grow across the land. Many other animals benefit from the giraffe feeding habitat. The giraffe is a true wonder of nature. Its height, beauty, and gentle nature make it one of the most special animals in the world. For millions of years, giraffes have roamed the African plain. They are a symbol of grass, peace, and survival. Protecting giraffe means protecting an important part of our natural world. Future generations deserve to see these amazing animals living freely in the world. The next time you see a giraffe, remember how incredible it truly is. From its long neck to its gentle eye, every part of the giraffe tells a story of survival and beauty. The giraffe reminds us that nature is full of wonder. Thank you for watching this documentary about the tallest animal on earth. If you enjoy learning about giraffe, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories.